Feeling overwhelmed by endless tasks and wishing you had more hours in a day? I'm here to help you free up your time and focus on what truly matters for your business. Hi, I'm Kat, and I'm highly organized and detail oriented virtual assistant with a passion for helping businesses thrive. I bring comprehensive skill set both in administrative support and dynamic social media management. On the technical side, I am proficient in content planning and creation that captures the attention, leveraging analytics to understand what resonates with your audience. I have experience in web design and can create visually appealing graphics, engaging video edits, especially for social media platforms. My approach include strategic hashtag research and efficient scheduling of posts to maximize your reach. I can also streamline your communications through effective email marketing and lead generation strategies, ensuring your inbox is well managed. From document organization and seamless calendar management to accurate data entry, efficient internet research, and compelling article writing. I am equipped to handle wide range of administrative tasks. I'm also comfortable with web management and possesses expertise in Google products, Microsoft Office Suite, and other visual assistant software tools. Beyond my professional skills, I also have a creative touch with pastry preparation and cake decorating, which highlights my attention to detail and ability to bring ideas to life. Qualities I bring to all my work. I'm eager to contribute and diverse skills and dedication to your team. So I'm hoping to be a part of your success and help you achieve your business goals. Bye.